So I decided to make my own vegan sausage, so here we go. In this bowl I have all of the ingredients. There's too many to list, so yeah, put everything in the bowl. I have some steamed potatoes, some red onion, maple syrup, cornstarch is going to go in there, and veggie stock. So let's mix this all together. Now this kind of looks like chili, so we're just going to continue to stir and see what happens. I added in my potatoes, I'm going to add in my onions, and stir. Then I'm going to add any other stuff. So now I'm going to add in my very weak gluten, which is basically what vegans use to make seitan and meat substitutes, or our protein substitute. I'm going to add in some cornstarch. And then I'm going to mix this all together. Then I'm going to add in our veggie stock and mix everything together. Alright, I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what the mixture looks like. Kind of weird. Now, we're going to divide it into 4, and then we're going to wrap it in some foil or parchment paper or cheesecloth. Use whatever you have. So each of mine are going to be 121 grams because I use my food scale, and I'm going to put it in. So wrapping up the last one, this is basically what you want it to look like. A shape like a link or a sausage, depending on what you want it to be. And then you're just going to roll it up really tight, and it'll look something like this. You should have your water steaming already, and I'm going to put our little sausages in my steaming basket. And then you're going to steam these for 45 minutes. And then I'll show you what they look like in the morning. After about 45 minutes, they will be completely done, and then I'm just going to take them out and place them inside of my glass container and let them cool in the fridge overnight, and I will unwrap them tomorrow. So next morning, I took it out. Yeah, see my mannequin hand on the floor. And I'm going to cook this up. So this is what the plant-based link sausage looks like. Interesting, right? So this is what my plant-based sausage looks like. We're going to cook it up and serve it with a side of my homemade vegan pancakes. This is what they look like cooked, and man, they smell so good. My good. So I'm going to make my pancakes and plate it up.